If you're getting a message on X that says authenticate your account, don't panic. This usually means you need to verify your identity or re-login. And here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, open the X app on your phone. Next, if you're already logged in but still seeing the message, tap on your profile icon in the top left. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, select your account, then tap on Account Information. You might be asked to enter your password here. Go ahead and do that. Now, check if your email and phone number are up to date. If not, update them and follow any verification steps that appear. If you're logged out, just log back in with your correct username and password. You might receive a code by text or email. Enter that to authenticate. If it's still not working, go to help.x.com in your browser and request a verification or recovery for your account. And that's how you fix the authenticate your account issue on X. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.